Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to freeze multiple rows. So if you want to freeze rows in Microsoft Excel, you can select, like I will select in number 3, and you can go to view tab, click on freeze pen. So in it there are three options. You can use freeze pen. It means you can freeze in the selected columns or rows. You can click and it will be freeze the rows. If you want to freeze the columns, you can click like in B here, freeze, unfreeze, and then you can click freeze pen. So it will be freeze in the column. The next, if you want to set a multiples, you can use the split tools. First, I will click at this point, and you can click split. Okay, you can move the split icons like into here. And the next you can click freeze pen. So the split will be set into freeze. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to freeze multiple rows. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.